For over a decade, the Galaxy S series has been at the center of our innovative thinking. As a tribute to our Galaxy fans, we're setting a new standard of making uncompromising flagship innovations accessible to as many people as possible. And we'll continue to launch fan editions of our flagship devices in the years to come. We wanted to create a device that includes everything about the S20 that's important to you. We're proud to introduce a new addition to the Galaxy S20 family, the Galaxy S20 FE. For the S20 FE, we took a new design approach, steering away from typical colors, so you don't have to settle for a color you just kinda like. Here's what inspired us and the journey we embarked on to create these new colors and distinct finish. Looking here at Cloud Navy, you can see how we put a new spin on classic simplicity. And all 6 of these beautiful new looks were thoughtfully curated. Now you have the freedom to choose a color that harmonizes with your life. What really stands out here is this haze finish. See how it glimmers when I tilt it? It's an update on a classic matte look. It cuts down on fingerprints and smudges. You don't even need a cover to keep it looking clean.
The screens of our Galaxy devices always got a lot of attention. And the S20 FE is your new choice for an entirely flat screen. Let's see how it looks. The S20 FE has a 6.5-inch large Super AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution. So much screen, but still compact in size. Also, the front camera hole on the Infinity O display is now just a mere 3.34mm, our smallest in a flagship yet. We're proud to tell you, the S20 FE has a top-of-the-line super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With every swipe, big or small, your screen is still perfectly synced to your every intention. Just look at the difference between the 60Hz and the 120Hz. Scrolling through your feed has never felt smoother, with 2 times the refresh rate. The S20 FE's triple lens camera has a 12-megapixel wide, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. She wants to get as many of her plants in one shot, but there's no room to step back and squeeze them in. The ultra-wide camera lets her zoom out to snap a sweeping shot that takes in all her plants. Tracking autofocus lets Emma save the moment, not only with great photos, but with animated GIFs and easy videos by long pressing the camera button. Night mode can show us the beauty of an artfully plated dish, candles on a birthday cake, or your friend enjoying the night air on the rooftop. In these moments, our biggest dual-pixel sensor finds light to create exceptionally vibrant and rich photos, even under low light. Plus, advanced AI multi-frame processing quickly gathers information from numerous frames. It works in the background to reduce noise and motion blur at night. The results are sharp, crisp images that have the gorgeous, natural quality of only using available light. When you take an awesome photo of your friend and want to share it with them right away, Nearby Share makes swapping photos so easy. It automatically detects nearby users, so you can easily share files with Android devices. When you're taking photos, send the photo you just shot on your S20 FE to your friend's Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, even completely offline. With 30 times space zoom, she can get as close as she wants from wherever she is. The S20 FE has a front camera with ultra-high 32-megapixel resolution. You can shoot clear photos and videos, even without great lighting. And live focus keeps you looking sharp, but with beautifully blurred background. And selfie tone lets you set your ideal color tone for incredibly flattering shots. This is where Single Take comes in. Single Take takes the guesswork out of photography. When set at its maximum take time, of 15 seconds, you get up to 10 photos of 4 different types and 4 different kinds of videos. A total of 14 results just from one tap. Also, when you're moving and want footage without the shakiness, Super Steady comes to the rescue. Stay in motion while your video stays smooth.
The S20 FE has the same latest chipset as the rest of the S20 series to bring powerful performance to your day. As a proven 5G industry leader, we continue our 5G journey with the S20 FE to help speed up your life. And of course, we're still giving Galaxy users access to YouTube Premium, a great way to enjoy the S20 FE. Also, you can experience seamless 5G gameplay with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Get access to over 100 high-quality games. The Galaxy S20 FE comes with 128 or 256 gigabytes built-in storage, giving you enough space for thousands of photos and videos. And with expandable memory, you won't have to worry about monthly fees to get more space. In the morning, pop in your Galaxy Buds Live and with just one tap, start the day with your favorite playlist, streaming straight from your phone. Then, as you work out at home or outdoors, our brand new device, the Galaxy Fit 2, counts your burned calories, so the S20 FE keeps you on track with your fitness goals. And the Galaxy Watch Active 2 can even match your outfit or your unique character when you personalize the watch face. A 4,500 milliamp hour battery keeps your momentum going uninterrupted. Using 25-watt super-fast charger, a short power nap takes your phone from 0 to more than 50% charge in 30 minutes. And wireless power share. This lets you help out a friend by charging their phone that's just barely hanging on. Charge up your Galaxy Watch 3, or in just 5 minutes, charge up your Galaxy Buds Live to listen to a full hour of music. And the S20 FE is IP68 rated, so you don't need to worry about getting it a little wet. It's coming to you on October 2nd, and pre-order starts today. The best innovations with no compromises.
The Galaxy S20 FE comes with Super AMOLED display with super smooth 120 Hz, triple lens camera, hyper-fast 5G with our latest S20 chipset, all-day intelligent battery, OS upgrades up to 3 generations, and many other valuable features. All expertly packaged into this one powerful device, which comes in 6 thoughtfully curated colors with a beautiful haze finish.